Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make multiple pictures same size in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make multiple pictures same size. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. Select multiple picture, press Ctrl on our keyboard. Then insert it. Now we can see we insert multiple picture. Then resize this picture and move this picture side by side. Now we want to make this all picture size same. Firstly select all picture, press shift on our keyboard and select all picture. Then go to the picture format menu and change the height and width. Now I write height 4, 6 and width 5. Then press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we make all picture size same very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.